Full PC assembly for our customers' gaming PC. Thank you to Sir Carl for trusting PTT IT Solutions. This build is highly recommended for gaming, offering a powerful combination of components designed to deliver exceptional performance, reliability, and future-proofing for modern titles and multitasking. The AMD Ryzen 7 5700X, with its 8-core, 16-thread architecture and high clock speeds, ensures smooth performance in CPU-intensive games and handles multitasking and streaming effortlessly. Paired with the Gigabyte RTX 4070 gaming OC, this system excels at running games at high settings in 1440p and 4K resolutions, with ray tracing and DLSS 3 support enhancing visuals while maintaining impressive frame rates. The Gigabyte B550M DS3H AC motherboard provides PCIe 4.0 support for high-speed components and built-in Wi-Fi for convenient connectivity, while the Team Group Nighthawk 32GB 3200 MHz RAM ensures smooth multitasking and excellent performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. Storage is optimized with a fast-to-pacer 512GB NVMe SSD for quick boot times and game loading, alongside a spacious Kingston 960GB SSD for additional storage. This build is a powerhouse for gaming, capable of handling the latest AAA titles and esports games at high-performance levels, while also supporting streaming, video editing, and other GPU-intensive tasks. It is a versatile and future-ready system that ensures smooth and immersive gaming for years to come. Full PC assembly is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. And have your full PC assembly too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.